Hi! We're outside again because it worked out so well the first time. We're doing it again. Um, a bug may or may not have landed on me. Get out of here. Anyways, we're making paschetti today. I'm sorry, we're making angel hair. Okay, it doesn't even say spaghetti anywhere. Oh, it's enriched vermicelli product. I don't know if you can read that. Whatever. You'll have to take my word for it. Anyways, first step is to open the package. I already put water and stuff in there because I'm a professional YouTuber and thought ahead of time, and this didn't open very nice. So, yeah. I don't know if there can be water there. I better go get a rag and wipe that up. Professional YouTuber plans ahead. Works out great. It's okay though, because I left the light on inside, so it's good that I turned it off. Don't want to waste that electricity. Or whatever. I don't know. Oh, I didn't even show you. I found these leaves in the yard and I thought they'd make a great set piece, and it's way too dark. So I don't know. Where can I put them so they're in the frame? Right there. Oh, nope. Right there. Yeah, that looks great. You can see all the birds that were here when I was setting up, but now that I'm talking, they flew away. What a great plan. Anyways, on with making the paschetti. Now, I don't know if you can tell how dark that pot is, but it's pretty small. Like, here's the spaghetti next to it. So what we're gonna do, there's two things we can do here. We can put the spaghetti like half in, and then that part will soften up, and then you can wrap it around it. That's too much work. We're just gonna break them in half after we grab how much we need. Please, I don't want to spill it all out, but you know what, that's good enough. I only want to eat it for this meal. So this is how much spaghetti we're making. Chow, chow. You can totally see that. It's totally not too dark. Don't know why the sun came out as soon as I started recording the video. But you know, probably because I'm such a great guy. We're gonna snap it all in half. Ka-chow! And plop it in the water. Now this induction thing heats up real fast, or at least it did last time, so we're gonna see how long it takes to boil. I don't know how much water's in there, but we're gonna see how long it takes to boil. I apologize if it gets loud, because last time I recorded this thing, I don't know if you watched my, what did I make, eggs out here, but it got kind of loud, so sorry if it gets loud. Heat setting, crank up the heat, put on the cover, and start the timer. Oh shoot, I forgot the timer. I forgot the timer. Give me 1 second. Okay. Ow, I stepped on a tiny rock. We got the timer here. You can see it. There it is. Look at that. That's amazing. We're gonna start this up again. Heat setting. Crank it up. I don't know if it's heating, but we're starting it. It's going. I don't know if you can see that. You can't, probably. But we'll see how long it takes to boil water. Have fun. Well, it's 2 minutes in. Ka-chow! 2 minutes in, and it's starting to boil. That's awful shiny. It's also awful foggy, but it's starting. So we'll put the lid back on and let you watch the birds again. Okay, it's been 4 minutes, 4 very dark minutes, and it's going. It's going all right. So I think we're gonna turn down the heat, maybe. This is weird watching the camera because there's a little delay, so it's. I'm not dumb, really. There it is. Turn it down more. Don't want it to boil over. And since I never boiled nothing in here before, I don't know. Gonna turn it down a lot. Gonna pick that up so it doesn't boil over. We're on power level 1. We're gonna push the warm button. Warm button. And okay, we're gonna push the heat button and hope it doesn't boil over at power level 1. 1 out of 6. Okay, that looks good. Oh. 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 No. Yep, I think power level 1 will do. Now, we need to set this down because we need to stir this. And I'm going to set you down too so you can watch the birds that left. Our noodles are coming out great. It's fantastic. Cranking it up to power level 2. Also, I think our noodles are done. If I could get a fork and grab one. Let's hope this doesn't boil over while I'm gone. Let me just make sure it's not. No, it's not. Okay, good. Okay, go fast. Went fast. Okay. Power level without power level 1 without the lid isn't enough to maintain a boil, I guess. I think they are done. Wow, that was fast. Real good. I forgot to check the timer. Oh yeah, it started boiling at 4 minutes. And they need a bit more time. It's been 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Okay. Now you're blurry. Excellent. Cinematography. We're at power level 3 without the lid, and it seems to be doing great. Guess we'll just give it. Oh, I wanted to show you this. This is what I want to show you. So this has a cool lid. It has like holes in it, so when I put it on, it can like water goes out, and it's cool. Don't even need a strainer, or at least that's the plan. Who knows how well that'll go? I'm sure someone knows, but it's not me. Or my leaves aren't even in the shot anymore. Who did this? You know what? This water isn't boiling here, so we're just gonna... There, artsy. You can't even see them there. Who did this? Oh well, the birds are more important. So, the birds that are gone. What a great time. They're here. I even walked out, closed the door, they didn't care, and now that I'm talking, they're like, maybe lunchtime is over. I don't know. Our noodles are probably done by now. It's been almost 9 minutes. It's 8.5 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna turn this off. We're gonna stop you. We're gonna take the pot inside. We're gonna start you, and we're gonna see how the straining goes. So I'll see you inside. Okay, hopefully that's a good angle. I need to go grab the pot. Okay, so we're gonna be using the finely grated side, or whatever the heck you want to call that. And let's go. Can you see? You can see if I go way down there. Okay. Wow, look at that, it works. What do you know? Let's see if the big side works. Ugh. This feels weird. I'm holding it with my left hand, and you probably can't see diddly, but it works just as well. Okay, here's your noodles. Spaghetti. And yeah, there you go. It needs more of the dumpy outy the water. Quite a bit still in there. Guess you really have to tip it. I'm like tipping it this far. This far. Tip it upside down. There you go. And then you have a nice plate. This thing has a hole. How's it now? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna put some cheese on it and then eat it. Maybe take a cool picture like last time. Picture was the best. You could see the cheese in the back. I liked it. Yeah, I guess that's it. Let me know if it was loud. Just kidding, I'll know if it was loud again. So, see y'all next time. Maybe. There isn't.